if you want to plan a localizer from the spine, if you want to take a localizer of the brain from the spine, then this happens. The plans goes red, that you can't plan here. But if you change the positioning mode, okay, then see that this is fixed stable position, and if you select ISO center, then the plan is now yellow, and now whenever you move the plan, it will not turn red. Okay, this is the trick. Again I am saying that change the position mode from fixed to ISO, and then you can plan anywhere in the localizer, whether it's spine localizer or abdomen localizer or pelvis localizer. You can plan anywhere without any error. Okay, thank you.